Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how I drew this picture, so stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Okay, I started with making an outline. If you want to know how I make outlines of pictures, you can check the video at the right side of the screen right now. Click the video for you to know how to make a perfect outline. The secret of good shading is layering. First, I start with the first layer. You can see the first layer, it has spaces and it's very light, so I make that first layer very light. So here I'm done with the first layer and I'm going in with the second one. Second layer will make the spaces closer than the first and it's kind of darker than the first. Puts more pressure on the pen, make it darker than the first layer. Okay, here I'm going in with the third layer. Now this third layer is the darkest and is the closest to each other. Now this third layer, I'm going to make spaces for, leave spaces for the highlights. So here guys, I'm going in with the major parts of the face. That's the eyelashes, the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose and the lips. I like go in first, just follow the procedure exactly how it looks on the picture. I do the same. So here guys, I'm on the skin. I'm basically doing the same thing I did on the hair, that is layering, starting with the lighter shading, then going with the darker one. So basically the secret of shading is layering. That is starting lighter and getting darker and darker till you get to the desired darkness that you want. If you want to get more tips on shading, please subscribe to the channel, like my video, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So here it is, guys, the end product. So here's the video on how to get a perfect outline.